Morning, this is DailyChilli. Today is a rainy day here. Okay, so today I just gonna talk about feedback. Actually, it was very good to this morning when I opened my phone. I received messages from friends, very old friends that I haven't even seen in more than, I don't know, 20 years, saying like how are you, and I think that's really made my day, you know, like just by saying hi. I think it's a good way to start a day, you know, by telling people hi, you know, like old friends that you haven't seen in a long time. I think it's I mean, in my case, when I saw that message, I felt very good. So yeah, if you have old friends that you haven't seen in a long time, just say hi, and I'm sure you're gonna make the day of your old friends. Okay, so today my Chinese sentence is 你的帽子不在这里，大概离健身那里。En español, tu sombrero no está aquí. A lo mejor o quizás está donde el señor Lee. Okay, so that's it for me now, and today's password for my daily journal is friends. Okay, see you guys, bye.